Right then, we've had one of our suppliers in installing a new product into the showrooms for our customers to see, so go on Andy, tell us about it.
Yeah, well, it's a new product called Alusplash. So instead of having tiles or a glass splashback, this is the new product to try from Hafele.
Yeah, that sounds good. Let's have a look at it then, go on. Yeah, that looks amazing. So tell us about it.
Well, it's a cost-effective alternative to glass that can be fitted behind the hob. It's available in 10 different colours and it can be bent on corners as well.
Yeah, and don't forget, because it's aluminium, it's 100% recyclable as well.
Yeah, so if you're interested, why don't you pop down to YPS and have a look at our new display.
Yeah, we hope you found it interesting and maybe it's given you some inspiration for your kitchen ideas.
Yeah, thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.
Bye.